In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome opening and closing. If Chrome keeps popping open and immediately shutting down, it's often caused by a bad extension or a setting that got corrupted. The quickest, most reliable way to fix this is to reset Chrome's settings back to their original defaults. Don't worry, this does not delete your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. It simply rolls back custom settings and disables extensions so you can start clean. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots, which is the main menu button. If Chrome is unstable, you might need to do this as soon as it opens. Next, choose Settings from that menu. This opens the Settings page in a new tab. You don't need to change anything else here. We're heading straight to the Reset tools. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click Reset Settings. This section is designed specifically to fix issues caused by configuration changes or problematic add-ons. It's a safe repair step that targets the most common causes of Chrome crashing or closing on its own. Now click Restore Settings to their original defaults. You'll see a brief description of what this does. Resetting will change your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs back to the defaults. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Importantly, your bookmarks, saved passwords, and history will remain intact. This balance is why the reset is so effective. It removes the usual troublemakers without erasing the things you care about. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Reset Settings to finish. Chrome may take a moment to apply the changes. It might refresh the tab or reopen, and that's normal. After the reset completes, Chrome should stop the open and close loop and behave more reliably. If the issue was caused by a misbehaving extension, it's now disabled. If you choose to customize again later, add changes gradually and keep an eye on stability. Extensions are powerful, but turning on too many at once can cause conflicts, so it's best to be selective. That's it. You click the menu, open Settings, went to Reset Settings, chose to restore defaults, and confirm the reset. This simple sequence resolves most cases of Chrome opening and closing on its own. If this helped, take a moment to browse normally and confirm everything feels smooth. Thanks for watching, and I hope your browser is back.